Hurricane season starts June 1st and ends November 30th. Are you and your pets ready for a hurricane? Hi, my name is Adriana Stalin with Rentifi Property Management. Stay tuned for some tips.
First off, you should find out which evacuation shelters allow pets, just in case you are required to evacuate your home. Be sure to have a copy of all your pet shots and vet records. Place these in a Ziploc bag to keep them dry. Have a week's worth of food and water packed and ready to go in case of a need to evacuate. Have at least 2 weeks of your pet's medication on hand, including heartworm and flea prevention. If you don't already have one, get a pet carrier. Carriers are required at most pet shelters and can serve as a safe space for a nervous pet. Attach your pet's information such as name, breed, your current address, contact phone numbers, and any other important medical information to the carrier. Have either a slip leash or a harness ready to go, as a frightened dog can slip out of a collar.
If you have any further questions on how to better prepare yourself or pets for a hurricane, give us a call. We would be happy to help. Once again, Adriana Stalin with Rentifi Property Management. Until next time.